channel. My name is Sara-Dawn, and happy autumn or fall or whatever you call it. But it's here and I love fall so much. Halloween is one of my favorite holidays and I'm just super excited. So in celebration of fall, I just wanted to do a fall makeup look. It involves mostly oranges and burgundy colors and I just really like this look. I used this Alamar palette for the whole eye look. I got it in a BoxyCharm a few months ago. And it's kind of like a tropical palette, but some of the darker colors down here looked really good for fall because it has a lot of oranges and dark tones in it. And I also did a dark tone lipstick. If you haven't guessed, this is the final look. And I'm just going to start the tutorial now. I hope you really enjoy. that's the full tutorial for my fall makeup look. If you like this video, please hit the like button and let me know. It lets me know to continue making makeup videos and that you guys really enjoy them. And if you would like to see my future videos, just press that subscribe button and you'll be notified every time I make a new video. I don't only do makeup videos, I try to spread myself out a bit and do lots of different types of videos because I enjoy doing many different types of things. I really hope you like this makeup look and I hope to see you next time.